In workspace 3D modeling or 3D basic, on top home panel modeling, from the drop down menu activate the command torus. Click left bottom of mouse. Next step, specify center point, center of tar, and move the cursor, specify radius, or move the cursor or enter some digit from the keypad. It may be 100 and click enter on the keypad. Next step, move the cursor, specify tube radius. Simply move the cursor and click something here. And I want to show that really tar. Activate the orbit and we have tar.